In this video, we will look at how to calculate the weighted mean given the weights categories as percentage. Let's read this homework problem. A student's course grade is based on the midterm that counts as 15% of his final grade, one class project that counts as 15% of his final grade, a set of homework assignments that count as 45% of his final grade, and a final exam that counts as 25% of his final grade. His midterm score is 69, his project score is 84, his homework score is 94, and his final exam score is 73. What is the overall final score? What letter grade did he earn? A, B, C, D, or F? Assume that a mean of 90 or above is an A, a mean of at least 80 but less than 90 is a B, and so on. Let's start with the formula for weighted mean. Weighted mean is equal to the sum of the weight of the category multiplied by the value of that category divided by the sum of the weights. Let's start with the first category, midterm. Midterm counts as 15%, so 0.15 as a decimal, multiply by 69 that student got for the midterm, plus the next category is project, also 15%, 0.15 times project score of 84, plus the next category, homework assignments, 45% or 0.45 as a decimal, times homework score of 94, plus, and I'm going to move to the next row, final exam, 25%, so 0.25 times final score of 73, divided by the sum of the weights. And we don't need to divide by the sum of the categories. Why? Because we already converted percentage into decimal. If we did not, then what we would do, we would multiply 15 times 69 plus 15 times 84 plus 45 times 94 plus, put it right here, plus 25 times 73, and then we will divide by 100. 100 is the sum of all categories, 15 plus 45 plus 25, because the whole overall grade adds up to 100%. But because we already converted percentage into decimal in the first part, we don't need to divide by 100. But if you do not convert percentage to decimal, then you will have to divide by 100. So let's use the calculator. And I got 83.50. Let's round it to two decimals. Oh, we don't need to round to decimal. It says type an integer or a decimal. Do not round. Okay, so let's type 83.5. That would be letter grade B. I hope that was helpful.